Alright, it's Saturday afternoon, about 5 o'clock, and again, I'm going to show you some of the things we've done today. And so both HVAC work is being done, and I've continued on insulating the office area. So let me show you. Let's go into the furnace room first. So Gabe was here, tore out the furnace. That's where it was. We also had issues with the duct work. We have what's called a swamp cooler, which is still up there, but they're going to take it off because we're adding air conditioning. So we tore all this out. This went from there to there, plus up to the swamp cooler. We're just water being pumped into it, so it just rotted away. So Gabe will redo the duct there. So I got all that out. That was good. And I'm proceeding down to the office. Worked on the getting the insulation in. Got my vent duct in the hole, and outside entry ceiling is where the vent goes out. So I've got that vent grate in there. I insulated against the edges. I just think that'll help with sound. Here for the heat. The other thing, we're going to be putting a wall across here, so we need receptacles, so we're just piggybacking off of here. Ran that line. And so really, next step is to get this floor back down. But it's 5 o'clock, and I don't want to do that now. I'm trying to be considerate for the neighbors. Let's go downstairs. Gabe has been here. Took out all the duct. This was loaded with duct work. You see, this is will be the only register coming in. When I say coming in, because this will be a soffit. We'll have a drywall here and the cabinets below. So the only other thing is we need to get duct into there. So he'll run that back above the soffit and into there with some flex. So the rest of this has got to come down. So that'll be the next demo. We'll get this to come right up, and then I can get to all the wires I need to. Let me just take you into the office. So I've got the plywood back down, as you can see, and then I tore off the drywall off that hot sunny wall. As you can tell, it's sunny outside. And just to show you how lame this is, that's it. That might be 2 inches of insulation. This floor is much better. Here I'm walking around, it doesn't squeak at all. Feels very firm. So that goal was accomplished. But I'm just trying to get ahead of the utilities. We got plumber coming tomorrow, and HVAC guy wants to finish up with this. So I'm just kind of looking ahead to inspections. So that's why I'm prioritizing this right now. All right, check back with you later.